Hello, New School Baby Boys here, and today I'm doing a different video. Today, this is just one part of it, and the video is going to be a little card unpacking. Not Beyblade related, but since it's freaking popular as hell, Pokemon. I found a thing of cards, but that's not the first thing I'll be doing. Sorry how little messy it is, because I am currently painting and stuff like that. If you guys remember Driger, this broken one, I actually got one for an anime, a non-battle one. And also I'm working on this. I need to paint this over again. I'm still working on this, work in progress, but yeah. But here's the one I finished. Cyber and Driger. The stickers are the best I could and get them. There is some why I need to fix some of this part, so yeah. It's not fully completed. I need to tape some parts to fix some of it, but yeah. All the the colors and stuff like that are hand painted. The red, green, yellow. The yellow eyes are painted, but yeah. Let's get on to the next thing of it. It is a Pokemon set. I'm not sure a lot of this. And this is a battle Sword Shield battle set. I'm not sure. I found 3 of these under and one that displays. I was actually looking for Beyblade stuff, and I found these, and there's 3 of them, so I probably snagged someone's life savings, but I'm going to probably sell all these cards off. I don't know, I haven't collected Pokemon cards since, probably, Gen 4, Gen 5, whatever, I forgot the name is, yeah. I'm not the best of these. Ugh. God damn. I don't do these often, unboxings. Okay, there we go. Now I'll be giving the code. I don't know how many of this. Here's the code. I don't use the code, so yeah. There we go. Free code. But yeah. Okay, Zubat. Oh god. I'm using my other tripod. Okay. Reverse hollow or whatever. But yeah, okay. None of the rare stuff, but yeah. The quick little birthday special. Let me go through again. Yeah, I think I got 1 rare. And that would be this is actually a cool one. No GXs and stuff like that. Oh, this is the one that is the rare. It's hollow or a reverse hollow, I think it was. Let me know if there's any rare cards and stuff like that. I might not know. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.